You live in the city, you mind your own business. What you see, you don't see. Yet some people, they always see. They never mind their own business. You move to the country, you live in the hills. You think you're far from the wicked. When you check it, them are you spying glass. They want to know all your business. You live in the city, you stay by yourself. You avoid bad company. Still some people, they brand you young. It's just because you are a star. You live in the city, you stay by yourself. You avoid all wickedness. Still some people, they brand